maayong aga sa inyong lahat. Today is Monday. Happy Monday morning na naman. Start of the week pero absent pa rin si Mishka. Kasi nagkasakit siya tapos continuous until Saturday. Sinisinat-sinat siya tapos ngayon meron pa siyang ubo. So hindi muna siya namin pinapasok ngayong Monday kasi bukas is holiday. Another festival na naman dito sa India. So sabi ni Abhay, wag na lang papasukin ngayon para today, tomorrow, makapagpahinga siya. Yung ubo kasi niya, may blemas talaga. Para maiwasang makahawa siya sa ibang bata. So, hindi na lang muna namin siya pinapasok. And para mapagpahinga din siya.
The itsy-bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy-bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Itsy-bitsy spider went up the water spout. Right away, right away. You want? Mommy will read it. Close it up. 1, 2. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5. What I got the fish for alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can I let them go again? Why do you let them go? Because it breaks my fingers so. Which finger did it bite?
This little finger on my head. Aww. Come on. Aww. You're so good. Good job.
Kasi kailangan kong bumili nitong gamot ni Mishka sa ubo. Ubos na kasi. Ito yung reseta sa kanya ng doktor last time nung nagkasakit din siya. So, yan na lang yung aming agenda sa paglabas namin ngayon. And plano ko magpanipuri kami mamaya. Nung last week, nagpanipuri din kami guys. Homemade panipuri. So, bibili lang ako ng panipuri balls or yung puri. Nag-bag din siya. Pero wala namang laman yung bag niya. So, magbabaon na lang ako ng kanyang tubigan. Panigurado kasi na hihingihan siya ng tubig. Nagpapainit lang ako ng tubig para warm water yung baunin ko sa kanya. Kasi yung pinapainom namin sa kanya ngayon, warm water lang. Hindi yung normal na water. Move side lang.
I moved side already.
You move side already.
It's still there.
Sorry. At ba, may cream pa na kasama. Here.
Queen.
Makeup na. Leave this na, baby. We don't need this na. You should get napkin. Go get one napkin and put it in your bag. Go get napkin. Go na. Tumawag na ako kay Abhi na aalis kami ni Mishka. Maghahanap ng panipuri balls. Kasi yung meron lang dito, yung ano na siya guys, yung naprito na siya ba, balls na siya. Yung gusto ko is yung hindi pa siya naprito. And yung ginamit namin last week. Oh, come here. And yung ginamit namin last week na panipuri. Yung mula pa sa Patna pala yun. Sabi ni Abhi, baka wala dito sila nung ipiprito pa. So we'll see. Give me your bag. We'll put your water inside. Ready? Let's go! Before pala kami umalis, yung mga sinampay ko dito, kunin ko na lang kasi pag mamayang gabi na, mag-moist na naman ito. Bright. Mimi, we're not bringing baby Jasmine. It's bright. Love, again, Mommy will have to carry that later. Leave baby Jasmine, ah. You play with her later.
But he's doing kawaii.
Huh?
He's doing kawaii.
No, she will be fine. She will not cry. Later. You play with her later, please. Yeah, just cover that. Cover, baby. You said, baby Jasmine, just sleep there, okay?
Sleep there. Just follow my little sleep. Okay. Just stay there. Don't cry.
Say, I will be back.
Don't be back. Just sleep there.
Okay. Let's go. Ayusin pa yung mat. Let's go.
Bye.
Alas 5 na guys, pero ang init. Let's go. Para sa festival bukas guys, meron na siyang tinitinda na sugar cane. 34 each. Leave your bag, love. Is this the panipuri, be? Papad. Ah, ayan siya. Panipuri papad. Tama. Buti na lang meron sila. 60 rupees. Ito yung nahanap ko guys. Papaboil na ako ng patatas ngayon kasi nga magpanipuri kami tonight. Ito yung una kong dinaanan doon sa labas. Gamot ni Mishka para sa kanyang ubo. Tapos doon sa Smart Bazaar. Ito guys, ito yung nahanap ko talaga. MRP niya 60, pero 50% off pala siya. So 30 rupees lang to. Tapos bumili din ako ng popcorn. Yung mga request ni Daddy. Bumili ako white tea. Kasi bukas nga is festival, Makar Sankranti. So may mga pagkain yan sila na kailangan lutuin tomorrow in celebration of tomorrow's festival. Nagpabigay siya ng spinach or palak. Hindi na siya fresh kasi kaninang umaga pa ito nila nilalagay doon. Then coriander leaves. Kailangan natin to para sa panipuri na water or yung pani is water eh. Doon sa juice ng panipuri. Gatas, yogurt, 2 gatas, tapos paneer. May din akong cauliflower. Request ko ni Abu. Kamatis. Wala na kaming kamatis. Ito naman, urad dal para sa dosa. Tapos ito, importante din to for tomorrow. Yung flattened rice or poha. Tapos, jaggery. And, idli rice. Para sa dosa. Nabutas kasi itong paper bag ng aking idli rice.
Idli rice?
Ay! Ako din. That is urad dal. This is for dosa. Dosa. Ay, marami pa pala akong urad dal. Tapos bumili din ako ng bago. Yung aming Santa Claus na balloon, guys, nabutas. Siya lang din naman yung nagbutas ito kanina. And then ngayon umiiyak siya. Next year, we will buy that same one. Okay? Emotional pa siya hanggang ngayon. Dahil kay Santa Claus. Magdadala tayo ng para sa panipuri. Ito, dried tamarind. Medyo damihan natin kasi last time parang hindi siya maasim yung ginawa ko. Okay. It's fine, baby. We'll buy next time. Okay. Kailangan natin coriander leaves and mint leaves para sa gagawin nating tubig. Dapat maglagay din ng green chili, pero yung sa akin, mamaya na chili powder yung ilalagay ko. Para matansya namin yung anghang na pwede lang kay Mishka. Naugasan ko na to. Tapos, yung ating tamarind. Santa Claus, I miss you. Sasabay ko na dito para yung blender na silang sabay. Oops. Ito na yung na-blender ko na mint leaves, coriander leaves, and dried tamarind. Yes, baby?
Santa Claus.
It's fine. Santa Claus will come next year.
I want Santa Claus balloon.
Santa Claus balloon.
Yeah, but
Okay, well, can you help here? You do like this. You steer it. Slowly, slowly lang. Slowly, slowly lang. Mix it. Slowly lang, ha? Not to make your dress dirty. More. Wait. I'll help. Can I help?
see. Mommy. Mommy.
Uy, slowly. Black salt. We'll chop onion and grate some carrot.
Chili powder. I'll use my hand.
This one? You want more onion?
Yeah.
Dito na siya, nakikisali na siya sa paghanda ko ng panipuri. So, ito na yung ating papad, yung ating puri. It's hot now.
Not yet.
Uy! Why? Done, Mimi?
Hot yet? Not really hot.
Yes, baby.
बोलो नहीं
It is food everywhere in my soul and everywhere.
that, Danny.
Okay.
Our pani puri is ready. Meron din kami ditong chopped onions. Kasi gusto ni Abby merong toppings na chopped onions. Tapos ito na yung ating potato. What do you call this, Daddy? Potato choka with carrots and chopped onions. Tapos ito na yung aking ginawang pani.
I added mint in that.
Yeah, mint, coriander, tamarind. Did you taste it already?
No, I like
Try it.
tamarind.
Huh? Chopped coriander.
In this also.
Okay. Magdadagdag pa siya ng chopped coriander sa aming choka. Mix, mix, mix.
Ready?
Ready? Ready, set, go! Come on. No?
It's okay.
Kami na lang ni Daddy. Usually, si Mishka, gusto niya yung kumain ng panipuri. Pero ngayong gabi, wala siya sa mood.
She has eaten anything?
Yeah, she's done with her lunch.
Lunch or dinner?
At dinner. Tapos yung kanyang dinner mo. How's the pan? No need for adjustment?
Good.
This is how we eat. Panipuri at home. Better than outside.
And hygienic. We know that what we are eating.
But do you know what is missing?
But
Green chili. I don't have green chili for this water. But it's fine. Kid friendly. For Mishka and Mishka.
coming, baby.
She will show you her dance. Hi.
No.
Come, baby.
One but two.
Huh? One.
What the same time?
Actually, don't want.
The medicine the same book.
No. Talaga siya sa mood kumain. So, pag makakita siya nitong puri, kakain yan siya. They are selling their bamboo, huh? A sugar cane, I mean. Sugar cane.
This is for like Pongal. Tomorrow is Pongal.
This is their like New Year, no?
Pongal is made basically
For harvest.
harvest, but in Tamil Nadu.
She was crying. She was holding her Santa Claus now. Santa Claus, I miss you. She's really crying. She's really crying. Before you came. Santa Claus, I miss you. I feel emotional. Busog na kami sa aming panipuri. And ngayon, mag-stroll na naman tayo sa labas. Kasi si Abby kanina, nag-promise siya kay Mishka na gagalak kami pag-uwi niya galing office. Kasi kanina si Mishka, umiiyak siya kasi gusto niya play with daddy ng lunch. So sabi ni Abby, sige, sa gabi, gagala tayo. So ngayon kami gagala. Usually yung gala namin, guys, iikot lang naman kami dito sa buong Madikeri, tas uwi na. Or minsan, may mga nadadaanan na kung ano-ano na mga event, yun, nakakapag-stop over kami. Pero yun lang talaga yung, pag nasasabi kami mag-stroll kami sa labas, iikot lang kami dito sa Madikeri, minsan, isang beses, minsan dalawa, minsan tatlo, yun lang. Let's go! What's the celebration?
No, not today.
They are preparing. I think merong gaganapin dito.
Maybe church festival or something.
Yeah.
Go ask.
Tomorrow daw, 5 o'clock.
What?
Celebration. Feast. I don't know what celebration. Sabi lang ni Kuya, feast daw. Huh? So tomorrow we'll come here. Meron dito. And then meron din dito sa kabilang side. For tomorrow din ito. Nice naman. Wow. I haven't been to this temple ever. Is it a wedding? For tomorrow. Ang nice naman. They're using this as decors. Look.
This is the holy.
And banana. Look at the design.